Okay, so here's my review of this weekender bag that I got on Amazon. I was really kind of worried about it at first because I don't think there was that many reviews on this product. So I waited and waited, but I really like this bag. I mean, look how big this is. This is really a big bag. And it has faux leather handles. And what this material is, it's really soft. It's not like horsehair or anything like that, but really like this soft fleece type thing. I don't know how to explain it. And then at the bottom you have the leather, the faux leather on there too. So here's the zipper. You can open that, and I really look how much you can fit in here. Right here you have two inside pockets, kind of like what would be on the inside of a purse that would hold your phone or something like that. That's about how big this is. And then there is a zip pocket across here. Looks like that's about 6 or 7 inches. And I'd say it's about 4 inches deep of a zip pocket on the inside. And it's lightweight. It also comes with this shoulder strap to carry it. Now, it's not like this is the best quality thing. It's not like this is major wonderful leather. You know, you can tell like this is faux leather and this is faux leather, but it seems to be very quality made. This isn't like wanting to come off. The zipper is holding up well. So this is how it looks when you're holding it with the shoulder strap. This is how big this weekender bag is. So you see I have the shoulder strap attached here, but I see you can also attach it here. So I guess either way. But this is how it looks when you're just holding it. And so for what this is, like how much I paid for this, how much I'm really going to use this, I'm really quite excited about this bag. And I don't know why I left it in my cart for so long.